It's another day at the office.
I know they put on yet.
This is a nice little current. There's my office. A good day for a swim to work.
It's really deep here.
Here comes our dedicated IT staff.
No kidding. Oh my God.
Yeah, I always get I swim in my place.
You can go swimming in the pool over there.
I know.
Is there a UPS on the floor?
No, I got that one up on the garbage
You got
can.
it up on
Yeah.
the garbage can?
Yeah, there's nothing
Hopefully
electrical.
it doesn't get that high.
Well, if it does, it'll start flowing out the door. Here's our front office section. There's one of our qualified attorneys here, wading through the... Yep.
Oh, no.
Oops. Excuse me. Hey, look.
I'm just taking pictures.
Well, just a little video here to commemorate this moment. Oh, God, yeah, it's coming down.
Oh, my God.
Raindrops keep falling. It's so seldom you can find a nice rainforest office like this.
Can we even check Cindy's office?
Do we want to?
No.
She's got water on the floor, but she's doing okay.
If there's anything we need to get out there.
Phyllis's office is,
Oh, I got yours too.
Cindy's office is here. You forgot about that.
well, there we go.
Oh my
The
God.
glamorous life of the public defenders.
Oh my God.
So seldom do we deploy umbrellas indoors, but then again, if you work here... Oh, it gets worse?
Well, good. Everything's unplugged. That's good. I'm glad everything's unplugged. That's my bird. That'll take the water.